Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with BlueWillow AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bluewillow.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BlueWillow website. Now, in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the Try Now for Free button at the top right corner. Now, you will be taken into the sign up page. You can either continue with your Google, your Discord or your Facebook account for a shortcut, or you can enter your email address and click on Continue with Email. You will then be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your email address that you just used to sign up. So go ahead and check your inbox and you will find an email from LimeWire. Go ahead and open up the email and you will find your authentication code. Just enter this code within the given box and click on the Continue button. You will then be asked to select your subscription plan. You can click on Stay on Free Plan or explore the various options for subscription if you wish to do so. And now you will be signed up and your account is ready to be used on the BlueWillow AI Studio. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.